Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name is Aaron and today we're getting some point of view footage here for you. We got my straight piped stage 2 plus 32 PSI Golf R, and I'm honestly just going to be out here goofing off. We're going to get some, some backfire noises, some red lines, some, whatnots, and yeah, it's going to be a cool time. Roll down the windows a little bit so we can actually hear. We're actually here in an underpass. So if you're newer to the channel, a little bit here about my car. So it's APR Stage 2 Plus tuned. This car gets tons of backfire in Texas. We were there at 0 elevation, literally, and we were putting 93 octane in here. And oh my god, that was so fun, honestly. It was like every gear you were getting the pop, 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 pop. It was so good. Not to mention, breaking traction really frequently out there. So the horsepower was definitely more noticeable. But this is as good as we can get here in New Mexico. So I have an integrated engineering catted down pipe, high flow. I have a racing line inlet pipe and racing line slotted rotors. So I brought up my notes here because I never remember everything on the car, and my best way of remembering is my Instagram captions. So the APR Stage 2 Plus tune, with that you need the cold air intake, which I have from APR. I have a 3-inch, it was originally a catback exhaust that I ended up butchering. So now it's just, it's basically just an APR straight pipe with the integrated engineering catted downpipe. I have the high pressure fuel pump from APR as well. I have ECS tuning stage 2 clutch kit that included everything for the clutch. Rated, I believe it's been several months. I remember it saying around 400, 450 horsepower or torque, something like that. So I'm good for a while. At the crank, my car is making 360 horsepower, 420 torque. Let's see, I got my dyno sheet right here actually. So we're making 313 and 366 wheel. So there's that dyno sheet for you, for all you haters out there. And yes, again, that is at Albuquerque level, not sea level. So I would love to see what it's putting out in Texas, but I don't live there. The car is lowered modestly, I like to say. So it's got the H&R lowering springs and Coney shocks and struts. I have been super happy with these springs because it's firm enough where I can hoon it around, do time lapse up the mountains. But it's also, I'm not gonna lie, around the city it sucks, but that's just kind of what you get. My city has crap roads, so sometimes it's a little rough, but I would rather get the performance than the comfort. But I'm getting married in a month and I need to go pick up the homies their ties, so gotta come over here to Men's Warehouse, get me some ties, and then we'll go get some more footage for you.
A little later.
All right, got the ties for the boys. And now I gotta go to Home Depot. That's where I gotta go. So let's get going. Check out that, I don't know if you can see it, sick rainbow. Let's see, I'll pull around. I know there's gonna be tons of exposure right now on the GoPro because I don't have any filters for it, and see, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there's gonna be tons of exposure on this thing because I don't have any filters, and it rained and then the sun just all over everything now, so sorry. Hopefully you can see. Let's go over here. Oh, it's already going away. This is like the mint spot to take a picture. Let's see. Let's find us a little photo shoot spot. Dude, that is so sick. Can you guys see that? Can y'all see that? That is so freaking badass. Let me see. Let me pull over right here. Dude, that is so sick. Grab the phone. I don't have my camera too, of course. Probably look like a dork because my hair's all messed up. Oh, yo. Oh, what the hell? Good thing I didn't lose that. What the hell? That was weird.
One eternity later.
But I guess let's hop out here and we'll give it just a second. We'll hop out here. We'll do a little walk around real quick. Yeah, so here she is. Definitely dirty. Yeah, she's definitely dirty. Been raining for 2 days straight pretty much, so although I think that's over with for the day. But yeah, lowering springs, brake upgrades, aftermarket wheels. I only actually changed the wheels because I broke the OEMs on a rock. Again, going back to the shitty roads we have here, literally just cruised right over a fucking boulder. But yeah, here's the whip. But yeah, anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. I know this probably wasn't super entertaining, but drop a subscribe on the channel, por favor, please. You know, if you enjoyed my content even remotely, drop a subscribe. I plan to get better with each and every video. Each and every video I practice and I learn something new, and I learn what works and what doesn't. But you know, drop a subscribe, leave a comment, you know, give me some feedback here. But otherwise, guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Drive safe, drink water, and I'll see you next time.